Dear students, in this class, you are going to learn the topic asking for and giving directions. So, asking for and giving directions, these two are the different phrases. Asking for, what do you mean by asking for? Asking for is nothing but unknown to known. Next, giving direction means nothing but known to was informing to others. These are the two differences. The first one is asking for, it means known to unknown. Next, second one is giving direction, so known to informing. So, dear students, you usually ask for directions when you go to unfamiliar places. Similarly, you give directions if someone asks you as to how to reach a place. It's clear, very? You should learn how to ask for and give clear directions in English. Remember that whether you are talking to strangers or to people whom you know, there is not much difference in the kind of language you use to ask for and give directions. While asking for or giving directions, information about important landmarks located along the route help you locate a place easily. Information about distance and a mode of transportation can also be asked and given out. So this is what about the asking for and giving directions. Okay, so for that, so if you have the glance over the slide number 2, so asking for and giving directions, okay, so most of you get some confusion how ask for and what kind of what interrogative sentences we use, okay. So here in slide 2, I am giving you what four sentences. The first one is where is. After that, what you want, you can mention it and put question mark at the end. The second one is how do I get to. What you want, mention in that place and put question mark at the end. Where can I found the, what you want, mention it and put the question mark at the end. Is there, so mention anybody or anything or any what area you need near here, question mark, okay. This is all about asking for directions when need errors for you to what unknown to known things, okay. So in the same way, if you have glance over the slide 3, so here also four sentences are given, four interrogative sentences are given. The first one is can you show me the way. This is one mode. The second one is can you tell me how to go to, mention a particular place, question mark at the end. Third one is can you give me the direction to the, and mention the place and put the question mark at the end. And fourth one is how do you get to the, how do you get to the question mark and put question mark at the end. Next, so these are the what interrogative sentences you can use in asking for. In the same way, slide 4, if you have glance over it, so it's related to giving directions. So in giving directions, what do you do? So here also four sentences are given. Turn left or right. Take the first to the right or left. Next, third one is the easiest way to reach the particular place. The fourth one is the best way to reach the particular place you need, mention in that place and put full stop. So this is all about what learning asking for, and just brief introduction you got giving directions. So let us discuss this giving directions in tomorrow's class, but let us have a glance over this asking for. So generally students get some confusion how to ask for the unknown things to known. So here I am going to give you what four sentences, and these are the very very important for you. The first is, so if you happen to go any place, if you don't know particular place or particular thing, anything you want, so for that you have to ask for. So I am giving you what example: can anyone tell me where the bus stop is? Okay. The second one is, would you mind would you mind telling me where the market is? Next. Third one is, do you know where the post office is? Next. Do you have any idea where the post office is? This is another pattern. And the third pattern is, tell me where the railway station is. Next, fourth one, any idea where the an ATM is? So in this you have learned three patterns. The first pattern is, could anyone tell me? The second pattern is, would you mind telling me? These are the two important phrases. These two phrases are used before what superior persons and official persons. And do you know, do you have any idea? And you can use them similar to your age group people, and just similar to your age group people and your classmates and your friends. And suppose if you happen to meet what younger persons where you want to ask for something to them, then you can simply use tell me and any idea. So in this asking for, you should remember three patterns. Okay, the first one for the superiors and officials, the second one is your classmates and similar age group persons, the third one is youngers. Okay, so with these six what phrases you can ask for knowing different things you need. Okay, so at the end you are not supposed to forget putting question mark at the end. So remember this pattern and use them whenever you happen to ask for anything to any person. Okay, this is the way you can ask for. So in our tomorrow's class you are going to learn what giving directions. Whenever you are in a particular place, if anybody asks for, and you should be able to give directions if you are very familiar that asked place or asked thing. So based on that, and you should be ready to give what the directions. So in tomorrow's class, and you are going to learn how the direction should be given to the persons whom you ask for a particular address or particular thing or particular issue. Okay, so have you glance over the topic asking for at your leisure at your rooms or hostels, and have some thorough preparation in your textbook. Some activities are given regarding this asking for, and do the activities. If you do the activities, definitely you'll get some perfection out of this perfection. You never commit any mistakes in your end examination. So be careful, and definitely you will get a question in this asking for pattern. So have thorough preparation. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye all of you.